Hello, everyone. Welcome to Say It in Spanish. Today, we will learn new Spanish words and phrases.
How do you say good job? Buen trabajo. Good job. Buen trabajo. Bien hecho. Good job. Bien hecho. How do you say you're perfect? Eres perfecta. You're perfect. Eres perfecta. Es realmente perfecto. It's really perfect. Es realmente perfecto. How do you say enjoy your stay? Disfrute de su estancia. Enjoy your stay. Disfrute de su estancia. Pásalo bien. Have a good time. Pásalo bien. How do you say you broke my heart? Me rompiste el corazón. You broke my heart. Me rompiste el corazón. Me duele. It hurts. Me duele. How do you say let's celebrate? Vamos a celebrar. Let's celebrate. Vamos a celebrar. La fiesta es esta noche. The party is tonight. La fiesta es esta noche. Feliz fiesta. Happy party. Feliz fiesta. ¿Quieres venir a la fiesta? Do you want to come to the party? ¿Quieres venir a la fiesta? How do you say you're right? Tienes razón. You are right. Tienes razón. Tiene razón. You're right. Tiene razón. How do you say it's a mess? Es un lío. It's a mess. Es un lío. Es un desastre. It's a mess. Es un desastre.
Thank you for watching. If you have a Spanish word or phrase you want to learn, write it in the comments section. To learn more Spanish, visit this playlist. Bye. Ciao.